I'm back. It's your boy, Skills. Hey, I'm back doing a video. Yesterday, I tried to post with the app I'm using right now. It kept getting on my nerves, so I just didn't post yesterday. So, I'm back again with Living with Jigsaw, Chris Chappell. I know this is a reaction video, but he's supposed to be looking at my reaction. I know what real deal reaction is, but I'm sorry, guys. I just can't put in face cam because the tablet I already have. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Bye. Okay, so we got this dude over here, Jigga. Oh my God, what is wrong with his eye? This dude is staring at the dude like he's some Slender Man. Like,
Jigsaw. Not as cool as I thought it would be.
Okay, how's it not cool? Looks pretty cool. Dude, what?
I want to play a game.
Well, I want to take a shower.
I want to take a shower.
How did he know?
The toilet has
Why is his arm moving like that?
If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will
Dude, his mouth moves so weird.
electronic devices and filthy toilet water. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades. The clock is ticking, Gary. Make your choice.
Too bad.
The wine in both your glasses has been replaced with the blood of a three-toed sloth.
Why would you pop out from popcorn? What? Dude, his arm looks so weird.
Gary.
It looks so funny.
Gary. What do you want? You're awake. What? You are completely surrounded by armed mousetraps.
Oh my gosh. Booty bullcrap. How long is it?
Your car have been force-fed to bingo.
No.
You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing from this open drawer, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Gary. Will you take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week?
I'll be late for the 4th time that week. I'm not finna kill no dog. I don't kill peeps. I save them. Well, anyway, guys, that was a pretty funny video. I kind of don't get it at all. Jigsaw, movie, pretty chap dude. I don't know about the little. Well, I don't care. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.